My name is John Dollivo. Came from Gratis, Ohio. I like hiking and fishing and stuff like that, and working out when I got time to, and just hanging out with my friends and family. I worked down at Urena for a company called CMS as a construction tech, and watched all the welders. Looked interesting. I liked it. I was a fire watcher first, and then they bumped me up to a construction tech to actually go to the help and stuff.
Yeah.
Some hands-on and yeah, see on the welders.
Cool.
Like I went working for a company like United or Sexton or back to CMS.
Okay.
One of those companies, and maybe be a combo welder eventually if I get good enough. You know, I want to work like.
Yeah. Well, that's good.
If I need an instructor in my booth, it's get one fairly quickly. It's definitely enough for when you get out of here, yeah. Especially if they teach every process that you need to know. You can get combo welder. So yeah, it's definitely carbon TIG has been like
Carbon TIG.
by far, yeah. I like way more stick and all that. More control with TIG. And
Yeah.
carbon, we're getting on stainless right now, so it's a carbon TIG. I like the control with it, being able to add wire and having the rig in my hand, other than stick, being all held back and stuff.
What is your worst nightmare?
That would suck if I just had to stick weld all the time, because I don't like it that much compared to TIG. So yeah, if I scored a job just stick welding, that sucks, but it was big for me. It's definitely patience. Getting more calm, don't get frustrated, just take a minute or whatever you need, take a step back and think about it.
Exactly. Do you listen to music when you weld?
Yeah, unless I'm doing stick, got a blow a root in the pipe. Other than that, yeah, music or a podcast, something like that. Country or rock, like that dad rock, jam to that.